Good morning, students. Our today's topic in the subject of chemistry is mole. So concentrate yourself. Technical topic this is. There are a lot of concepts, so concentrate now. A mole is a number that is equal to the number of the carbon atoms found in exactly 12 grams of carbon 12. So a mole is a number that is equal to the number of the carbon atoms found in exactly 12 grams of the carbon 12. So this is the definition. This number is equal to 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 23 and is given a special name, Avogadro number. The mole is abbreviated as MOL. The mole is a counting unit used in the chemistry to deal with atoms, molecules, and ions. So these are the things which will be dealt under mole, and this is the number which is equal to 1 mole. So now we are going to do some examples that will make our concepts more clear. 1 mole of the fluorine atom is 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 23 atoms, because we have read mole will deal with atoms, molecules, and ions, and 1 mole is equal to 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 23. This is the number which is associated to mole. So 1 mole of the fluorine atom, because atom is given, so that's why 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 23 atoms. 1 mole of the water molecule, so now molecules are there, so that is 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 23. Look at the number will remain same. 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 23 H2O mean water and molecules. Now look, 1 mole of the carbonate ions, so now ions is written, so it means same number, 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 23 ions. To change number of the particles to number of the moles, use the following formula. So particles to mole or mole to particles, this formula will be used. Number of the moles is equal to number of the particles divided by 6 divided by 10 raised to the power 23. Examples are here. A sample of the iron contains 4 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 20 atoms. So these are the particles. Calculate the number of the moles. So particles are given, moles is the requirement. So this formula will be used. Number of the moles is equal to number of the particles over 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 23. So look at the particles. This is this. We will write this number in numerator and this denominator will remain same. Solve it on the calculator. You will get the answer and MOL will be written with it because these are the moles. Here is another question. How many atoms, hydrogen atoms, are found in 0.8 moles of the glucose? So now mole is given and particle is the requirement. And particularly hydrogen atoms in glucose. So look now. First the formula will be written, that is number of the moles is equal to number of the particles over 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 23. Now look, number of the particles will be equal to, this will go to the left side because particles is the requirement and these are the moles which are given. So 0.8 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 23. Solve it on the calculator. This is the answer. So these are the number of the particles in 1 mole of the glucose, but the requirement is H atoms. So there are 12 hydrogen atoms in 1 glucose molecule. So 12 will be multiplied with it now. So 12 into this number will give you the answer because the requirement was hydrogen atoms, not the full molecule. Okay, here is another example. How many nitrate ions? So look at the full molecule first. So we are required the nitrate ions, not of the full molecule. So first we will find the number of the ions in the full molecule. So number of the particles is equal to number of the moles multiplied by 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 23. So look, moles are given. This number will remain same. Multiply them. This is the answer. So these are the number of the particles in the full molecule. So now we are required find the number of the nitrate ions in the full molecule. So look now, there are 3 nitrate ions. So now 3 will be multiplied with this one. So look now, 1 unit of the aluminum nitrate contains 3 nitrate ions. So hence the total number of the nitrate ions will be equal to 3 will be multiplied with this number. So this is the answer. So this was the topic, students. Read this lecture again very carefully, one of the important topic in the subject of chemistry, and practice it. Make your notes. Thank you so much.